Hey guys, welcome back to Mad About Skin. Vitamin C is changing. Well, at least the way we appear to be using it is. In 2024, there was a global slowdown in sales of vitamin C serums, implying far fewer of us are reaching for vitamin C for our daily skincare needs. I think there's a whole host of reasons behind this. Vitamin C is often perceived as being quite complex to incorporate in your skincare routine. The cost of vitamin C serum seems to be going up, and up, and there's a real concern around oxidation and just how effective a vitamin C serum is going to be. Well, in today's video, I want to reset our relationship with vitamin C. I still think it's an absolute wonderful ingredient for increasing glow and luminosity to the skin, boosting collagen, having some great long-term anti-aging benefits. And I think a lot of the worries people have around vitamin C serums are misconceptions. So we're going to bust all of them apart today. So sit back, relax, let's talk all things vitamin C. Now, before we delve into today's video, just that quick reminder to do all that YouTubey stuff if you haven't already. If you could reach down and give this video a big thumbs up and a like. This honestly does support me as a content creator so much, because the more likes the video gets, the more widely YouTube will distribute it on its platform. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you to each and every one of you that just takes that small moment out of your day to like any of the content you see here on the channel. It really does mean the world to me. Now, I've got quite a lot to get through in today's video, so let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. So, vitamin C myths and misconceptions. Oh, there are so many out there. It was hard to really choose what I think are the biggest ones, but I've honed it in on 4 that I think are the ones I hear most frequently online. The reason that these misconceptions bother me so much is I think it stops us, the skincare consumer, getting the most from our vitamin C products. You can tell from the decline in sales of vitamin C serums that a lot of people have just decided it's too complex an ingredient to bother using. And that's a shame, because vitamin C has so many amazing benefits, boosting collagen and elastin production for some great anti-aging, minimizing hyperpigmentation, dark spots and discoloration, boosting glow and luminosity to our skin. Who doesn't want those benefits? And vitamin C can do it in a real cost-effective way if we could just dispel some of these myths that we seem to have. So myth number 1 is that vitamin C has to come in airless packaging. This actually isn't the case, and I would encourage everyone to prioritize freshness over airless pump packaging when it comes to your vitamin C. So vitamin C is unstable, which means when it comes into contact with oxygen, it oxidizes. Now, oxidized vitamin C isn't dangerous for our skin, but it isn't going to deliver the same great results as vitamin C in an unoxidized form. So we need to make sure that we're getting, our vitamin C at peak performance. Brands have decided that the best way to do that is by putting them in airless pump packaging. By restricting the air contact with the product, it slows down the oxidation. This is absolutely true. However, what brands will often do is make huge batches of vitamin C, stick them in airless pump packaging, and then leave them on the warehouse shelf for like 12, 18 months until they sell through. Well, no packaging is faultless, and so even with airless pump packaging, that oxidation is taking place. And if a product has been made 12 months ago, it's going to come pretty oxidized, no matter what the packaging happens to be. So I would say prioritize freshness over airless packaging. And one of my favorite vitamin C's is this. This is the Geek and Gorgeous C Glow. It's not in an airless packaging, but it doesn't need to be, because this is made fresh every single week. So when you buy this and it arrives on your doorstep, you know that it's only maximum couple of weeks old. So it's going to be peak performance, peak freshness. This is really important because this kind of guarantees you 3 to 4 months worth of use before this is going to start oxidizing. I would take that guarantee over any airless pump packaging any day. So let's reset the narrative. You don't have to be paying more for a vitamin C to come in airless pump packaging. You're better off just going for a product like this that has that guaranteed freshness, so you know that when it reaches you, it's just going to be delivering peak performance. Now, myth number 2 is that you need to pay more in order to get more when it comes to vitamin C. This myth is primarily perpetrated by SkinCeuticals that have their best-selling CE ferulic vitamin C. Now, for years we've been told that if you want the best results from your vitamin C, you need to pay more. You don't. Honestly, you don't. There are so many amazing options on the market that are well formulated and don't break the bank. SkinCeuticals CE ferulic used to be pretty unique in the market, say 7 years ago, but now there are so many dupes with like-for-like formulations you don't need to overpay. So I would say go for something drugstore and affordable, like this one, the C Glow by Geek and Gorgeous. Don't break the bank, because you're not going to see any extra benefits for that additional coin that you're spending. If you are tempted to pay a little bit more for your vitamin C, make sure you are getting something more in terms of that formulation. A product like this, which is the PSA Skin Light Up Mask, has vitamin C, but is also formulated with glutathione, another fantastic pigment corrector. This costs a little bit more than the Geek and Gorgeous, but you are getting something more in terms of that touch of glutathione that I think is totally worth it. Never pay more than like $40 for a vitamin C. You just don't need to. You can get that same glow up, that collagen boost, and fade that hyperpigmentation on a budget. Don't believe what SkinCeuticals and other luxury brands tell you. Take it from me. The drugstore is where it's at when it comes to vitamin C's. Now, myth number 3 is that vitamin C has to be in a really low pH in order to work. Now, whilst one of the best ways of getting vitamin C into the skin to be active and to do what it needs to do is to formulate with it in a low pH, it's not actually the only way. Other ingredients exist which, when paired alongside vitamin C, can enhance the penetration. That way, you're getting the same great results without necessarily having to have that stinging and that prickling that comes with a low pH. A great affordable example of this is this. This is the Timeless vitamin C. They do 2 strengths. They do the 10 and they do the 20. They actually use an ingredient alongside the vitamin C to enhance the penetration without just relying on the low pH. This does also have a lower pH, but the reason it works so quickly is it combines that with this penetration enhancer for the best results. And this is super affordable. Also comes in truly airless packaging too. So if you're someone that loves your airless packaging options, this is a great one that combines that enhanced penetration, top quality formulation, airless packaging at an affordable price point. This, when I say the drugstore is where it's at, it's products like these that I really mean it, and I think demonstrate we can definitely do vitamin C glow up on a budget. Now, myth and misconception number 4 is that you can't pair your vitamin C with anything. I don't know where this came from. There are very few ingredients that you can't use alongside vitamin C. I probably wouldn't use a high strength retinoid such as tretinoin alongside it because you might get some increased sensitivity. But with the exception of that and maybe high strength exfoliating acids, everything else you can absolutely use with vitamin C, from your peptides through to your ceramides, through to your other actives such as azelaic acid, tranexamic acid. They all pair with vitamin C. And so let's turn that on its head. Instead of talking about what we can't use with vitamin C, let's talk about what we can and should use with vitamin C. My number 1 recommendation is Centella Asiatica. This is the one by Skin 1004, which is a nice, affordable product. But whichever Centella serum you go for, pair it with vitamin C, because studies show using Centella Asiatica and vitamin C together actually quadruples the amount of additional collagen produced versus just using vitamin C alone. So 4 times the anti-aging benefits without having to break the bank. I think this is like £14. So an affordable option to slot alongside your vitamin C to quadruple the amount of benefit you're going to see. Let's turn that narrative on its head. Instead of talking about what we can't use with vitamin C, let's talk about what we should use with it in order to maximize the results. These are just 4 myths that exist around vitamin C, and there are so many other ones I could talk about. But I think these are the 4 main ones which are really restricting people's benefits that they're seeing from their vitamin C serum. If you're someone that's been on the fence with vitamin C, know that there are so many options out there to match every skin type and of course every budget. And I think vitamin C could be a wonderful addition to your skincare routine, delivering so many great benefits. Let me know your thoughts, feelings and opinions in the comment section below, and wherever you are in the world, guys. Stay safe, stay well and love your skin. Take care. Bye.